Hey folks, we've been watching this rain over in Mexico working its way toward the valley all night long. The thunderstorm that was close earlier, you can see what's left of it, just a little rain moving through. Some more thunder and lightning coming off the eastern slopes of the mountains. That likely will weaken before it gets here as well. And so far all of it has stayed in the western part of the valley, but it still bears watch for at least a passing shower overnight. Most of what we're seeing out there is just the misty drizzle that goes with the fog that has kind of settled in across a lot of the area. Now, future track suggests we'll see passing showers overnight and early tomorrow. That warm front goes through early, and once it happens, the southerly wind will kick in, and when the wind comes from the south, the warm air is right behind, and it'll warm up very quickly tomorrow with some afternoon sunshine, at least a little bit. Temperatures likely to climb back into the 80s across the area. Saturday, we get even warmer with more sunshine. I wouldn't be surprised if the western half of the valley touches 90 or greater on Saturday, but then another front comes on Sunday, and with that front, perhaps a few showers, and then temperatures go down a little bit. We keep the clouds around Sunday. Isolated showers, I think, is what we'll see. It's not just going to be a rainy day completely, but there'll be a little rain around, but temperatures turn just a little bit cooler behind that front. Our chance of rain tomorrow, mainly in the morning, just that misty drizzle early. Afternoon should be dry. Saturday should be dry and very warm, and then Sunday, about a 40% chance of some on and off light rain, but not an all-day rain by any means. Temperature-wise right now across the valley, Brownsville still the warmest at 65, 63 in Port Isabel. Everybody else in the upper 50s where they've been most of the day. Our lows tonight go pretty much nowhere. We hold steady about where we are right now. If anything, readings go up by morning. And then tomorrow afternoon, here are your highs back in the 80s again, except in Brownsville, 79 and 72 at the beach with at least a little bit of that afternoon sunshine. Our highs the next 3 days, the normal is 76. Tomorrow we hit 82, 89 Saturday, and then Sunday 71. Still comfortable, but a whole lot cooler with clouds and again, a passing shower. Here's a look at the bigger picture across Texas. It's still cold to the north. Dallas is 41, Longview's 51, Houston kind of the lone holdout in the 70s. That front stalled right about here. They actually cooled off yesterday and have already warmed back up. We haven't warmed back up yet, but we will as that warm air builds back in from the south over the next 24 hours. Stalled front turns into a warm front, moves north. All of Texas starts to warm up on Saturday. It still rains though, and then Saturday night, Sunday, the next front races across the state. Could trigger a couple of showers here, then it leaves clouds into Monday, but the cool air for the most part stays north of us. We get a little bit of it, but we're at the very end of that front, so it stops right as it gets here. Here's what's going on at our coasts in the bay. Winds are northerly tonight, southeasterly tomorrow, 10 to 15 knots, a moderate chop. UV's moderate, seas are 3 to 5 feet, two tides, 2:14 and 12:01. That high tides during the lunch hour tomorrow. So for tonight, 57, cloudy, cool with a sprinkle or two, northwest winds about 6 to 12. Then tomorrow, early clouds, maybe some drizzle early, but then some afternoon sun, high back to 82, southeast winds about 10 to 16. So we go 82, 89, and then cooler on Sunday. We're going to work to get back to 71. We could spend most of the day, 68, 69, and about the same on Monday. But Tuesday and Wednesday back in the 80s again, and by Thursday, another front cools things off just a little bit one more time. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast. Joel?